this video, I'm going to share with you how to share a video. The first thing I want to always do whenever I come into the app is I always want to pull down to refresh. So that's just a good quick reminder to always pull to refresh. Then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to choose the video I want to share. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and hit give your body a deep detox video. The first thing you're going to see down here at the bottom is the share options, and it's going to have email, SMS, social, copy, or download. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and actually email this out. Choose your contact off the next page. You'll get a little bit of a notification here. Just go ahead and hit OK there. And then you're going to choose whether you're going to send that out through Gmail, Outlook, however you're going to choose to send that. I'm going to hit Outlook here. I would recommend hitting your personal one, or if you have a business one that you're using, go ahead and choose that. You're going to see that it's going to come up with it's automatically going to come up with my subject line. It's also automatically going to come up with the content for the email. You can go ahead and change that any way you want, or edit that any way you want, or you can go ahead and just use that the way you want. Go ahead and come down here at the bottom of the email. I'm going to go ahead and personalize it just so they know who it came from. So I'm just going to hit regards, Randall, and then I'm just going to go ahead and send that off. And that's sharing a video.